Let's talk heavy duty and durable trailers. Behind me, I've got our RKO roll-off trailer running a 16-foot roll-off bin. And today we're going to talk about something most people run into sooner or later. Let's say you suddenly find yourself needing a 14-foot bin. You might ask yourself, do I need a different trailer? Do I need a modified frame? Or do I just say no to the job? Let me show you how Dura-Haul has simplified things for you. Now that our 16-foot roll-off bin is off, let's take a closer look at our latch assembly kit and how it works. Roll-off trailers come standard with the latch welded in place. This is your standard position. Now, we built this trailer with flexibility in mind. This right here is our latch assembly kit. About 2 feet behind your primary latch, we've integrated a secondary receiver into the frame. This is where you install your latch assembly kit. Let me show you how you do it. You slide it in, you put the pin through, you set your adjustment screw, and you're ready to go. It takes about 10 seconds per side. As easy as that, and you're done. One man can do it all day long. Every 16-foot Dura-Haul roll-off comes standard with these pockets installed. Whether it's a bumper pull or a gooseneck, it doesn't matter. If you already got a 16-foot Dura-Haul roll-off trailer, just grab the latch assembly kit from your closest dealer, and you're ready to go to work. And just like that, your 14-foot bin locks in exactly where it should. No extra setup, no extra trailer modifications, and no wasted time. Unlike some other brands where you spend 45 minutes to an hour and a half to install bulky adapters. In this case, you're just using what is engineered into the trailer and getting to work faster. This is just one of the ways Dura-Haul keeps you efficient in the field. If you want to know more about heavy duty and durable trailers, visit our website for more information.